to day 16 of 30 days of pattern making. In today's video, we shall be making the upper part of Messi Ayebe's dress. What I'm going to do now is to widen the front neckline and to deepen it a bit. Here you can go low by 2 inches, and then here 1 inch. This is our bust line, so we're going to go up by, say, 2 inches. A straight line from this part here. Our guide here is half of the armhole measurement, so we draw to half of it, and then we use a curve and connect it. You draw a control line, you take out the excess to have a form-fitting pattern. So what you do is you take the entire measurement of this, divide it by 2, then you draw a straight line. At this point, you apply your control guide. For someone who is particularly not busty, you have to take in a lot so it doesn't gape around that area. So we're just going to use 3/4 of an inch at this point. We're going to draw a straight line from our bust point here to our shoulder. I am now going to go on and design the sleeve. I have gone ahead and joined a paper to our bodice. From what she's wearing, from the bust point, which is going to be somewhere here, you're going to mark and then draw a line this way. And then from the mid shoulder here, you're going to go on and draw another line. Then you go on and create a curve like this. The next thing you're going to do is to go on and trace from this point here where you have marked and your curve out on another piece of paper. So here it is. I have another piece of paper. I'm just going to place it underneath like this, then go on and trace out the sleeve using my tracing wheel. We then go on and trim it. In July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. This is it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to close this dart. Now, at this point, we'll continue cutting, and then we'll cut it off, this dart entirely, and cut out this neckline. Careful not to cut it off. Now to this part, you would slash it. This is where you cut off the excess. Careful not to cut it out completely. Also go ahead and take out the excess. To do that, you slash the center line. Careful not to cut it off. Then you take out the excess. Now, you find out that this part here is open and this part here is open. We're going to blend everything and close it. So you bring it in together like this, and then you hold it down with a tip. You do the same thing to this part. Now, if you look closely at this point, you realize that this place here doesn't run smoothly. You place a paper like so. You use your curve. You draw it, your curve all over again. I'm now going to go ahead and trim it off. So here are our pattern pieces.